Today's Porsche is a really cool 1970 911E Targa. It is mechanically injected. It has been long-term owned, good history, and we're going to take it for a ride. So it's been outside since 9 o'clock this morning, so it's about as cold as it's going to get on a 30-something degree day. There we go with the mechanical injection. We're going to lower it slowly. And we're going to get on the road and warm it up. I can say I drove this home the other night. So I already know it's a really nice, tight 911E Targa. Everything's working. We can lower the choke slowly, or the throttle, I should say. We're going to raise the heat. We're going to open the glove box. Oh, look. Books. I was charging my cell phone the other night, so we do know that that works, but let's put that in so it's nice and complete. Let's lower the idle a little bit more. I can say she's really, really nice. I did drive this the other night and it did start to rain. And I can say with the Targa top on, it's watertight. It's almost at operating temperatures. And that's why we're going through suburbia, to give it that final little bit to warm up.
Hi-ho! You see what I did there?
You see what I did there? The brakes work great. It's time that he doesn't speak. Oh. Happens to be a beautiful day here. The gearbox is a 901, so first gear is on the dog leg. The gearbox clutch is exceptional. The car has been maintained really, really well throughout all its ownerships. So as you can see, temperatures, pressures are great. Clock's working, signals are working. See that? He really took it to heart to not speak. Okay, and here we go. Great gear ratios. Really fun on the twisties. Do our usual. Prepare for flybys. Hope you enjoyed the flybys. Not much could be said. Dash is excellent. No cracks like many of them have. We're going to get onto the farm road, go through the gears as we always do. We've already shown you that she tracks well, brakes well. So now we'll just focus on showing you everything is working in the drivetrain, no crazy noises. It is exactly as it should be and as it was intended. It's really cool. I love the 2.2 liters with mechanical injection because, as I said earlier, it revs really free. It's just a really fun car to drive, as only the early long hoods can be. They just are authentic 911. regardless of whether it's a 911 TES, 2.7 RS, they all have this passionate feel about them because they're a little bit more tossable than the later G-bodied cars. They've just got great character, and I think these, more than any around town, are just that much more fun to use because we don't have an Autobahn around here.
We have the FFR.
Right, we have the FFR. I have told him not to speak.
To the FFR.
He does not listen at all. Okay. As we go, first gear on the dog leg, second, third, fourth, and then of course cruising altitude, which makes these cars wonderful cars for tours, rallies. You know, they hold. You could hold luggage. You got the back seat. Drop down to third and get on a little bit. So as you can see, she's got plenty of giddy up and go. So, as we've said in the past, we're going to take her home, clean her up, put her in the showroom, welcome any questions you may have, and hope that you really enjoyed yet another 911 road test. If they're good, they're great.